Hey everyone, this is Shyam and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something super exciting, the top 10 tech jobs that can rule in 2026. If you ever wonder which tech job will give you the highest salary, like which one is the easiest to get into that, or what skills should I start learning right now? So then this video is going to answer everything for you. We are going to go through each job one by one. I to tell you what job is and what to do every day and how to become the one and what salary you can expect in India and which top companies are hiring. And yes, I to keep it a super simple and easy to understand and fun, so even if you are new to the tech, you to get into the full picture. So let's jump in. Let's start with the one of the most and in demand tech role, which is data science. And mostly their responsibility is to clean and organize a messy data, build a models and create a dashboard that tell a story using a tools like Python or SQL and Power BI. Mostly for the eligibility to become a data scientist in India, if you are studied from the computer science, statics or a mathematics, you already halfway there, okay? So even if you are a non-tech graduate, can learn through plenty of online courses are available in internet. So many people have switched their career in this way. So in terms of salary in India, freshers can earn around 6 to 8 LPA per year. With the experience, it can go up to 25 lakhs per annum. So top companies hiring data scientists in India is Google, Amazon, Deloitte, TCS, Infosys, and Flipkart are the consistently looking at data science. So to become a data scientist, my tip is like if you are allowed to solving a puzzles and finding a patterns in a number, this job will feel you like a treasure hunt every day. And the second role we are going to see is the artificial intelligence engineer. Yeah, so this is the role that powers smart assistant like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT, which is called a AI engineer. So what they do, AI engineer create a system that can think, learn, and make decisions just like a humans. So the responsibility of an AI engineer in the companies, mostly they will design a machine learning model, train them using a large amount of data, and build a smart applications that predict the outcome using a frameworks like a TensorFlow, PyCharts, and the Keras and all. So mostly their eligibility, like if you came from a computer science, AI, or data science background, even though if you are from the another stream, don't worry, there are a plenty of online certification that help you to start. So the salary of an AI engineer in India can start from 4 to 6 LPA as an fresher, and it can go up to the your skill level and experience, it can go up to 10 to 13 LPA per annum. So the top companies are hiring Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Zoho are the top leaders in AI hiring. So my tip in this field to become a AI engineer right now, the field is booming, okay? But if you love to creating a futuristic tech, like you should definitely explore AI. So the third role I am going to tell you is like a cloud engineer, the heroes who make the internet work smoothly. Yeah. The cloud engineers manage cloud-based services like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure that keeps app and data running 24/7. So their responsibility mostly to deploy the application, manage the servers, and make sure everything run fast and safety on the cloud. Mostly for the eligibility to become the cloud engineer, like a BTech or a BE in computer science or a IT is mostly preferred in the market. And certification like AWS solution architect, Google so cloud engineer, or Microsoft Azure expert make your profile stronger. So salary wise in India to become a cloud engineer, like you can expect somewhere around 4 to 7 LP as an fresher, and depend upon your experience and the certification, you can go up to 22 lakhs per annum. So the top companies are hiring is Amazon Web Service, Accenture, IBM, Wipro, and the HCL Technology. So my tip for this role is every big company is moving to the cloud system, so this job will only get you more powerful in the coming years. So the fourth role we are going to see is the cyber security analyst. So cyber security analyst is kind of a digital bodyguard of every organization. So actually what they do, they will protect the company data and the system from the hackers, viruses, and the security breaches. So responsibilities of a cyber security analyst to monitor the network, identify the weak point, and respond to any cyber kind of threats quickly. So mostly the eligibility to become a cyber security expert, a degree in a computer science or IT is helpful. Certification like a certified ethical hacker or the like or CompTIA Security Plus is a highly valued. So salary you as an fresher you can expect somewhere around the 6 LPA and the experienced one will go up to 18 LPA. So the top companies are hiring is Cisco, IBM, Palo Alto Networks, and even the government agencies. So my tip for this role is if you like to challenges and enjoy protecting people and cybersecurity is like being a digital superhero. And the fifth role we are going to see is full stack developer. Yeah. So mostly full stack developer is to build a complete web application or a mobile application, everything from the design you see on a screen to the server that runs on the background. So the responsibility to for the full stack developer is to code using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and also maintain the database. So to become a full stack developer, the eligibility anyone can become. Right now in India, anyone can become a full stack developer, even the non-engineer graduate, as long as you learn coding and practice building the projects, you are eligible to become a full stack developer in India. So in terms of salaries, you can expect somewhere around 4 to 6 LPA as an fresher, and for experience one go ups to 20 LPA as well as. So the top companies hiring in India is Jogo, Infosys, TCS, Amazon, and the Flipkart. So my tip for this role, if you like to enjoy both design and coding, this role gives you the best on both of the world. So the sixth role we are going to see is the mobile app developer. So actually what they do, they create the mobile application for Android and iOS that the million of people use every day. So the responsibility to of a mobile app developer is to design, code and test the apps using a Flutter, Kotlin or a Swift. For eligibility to become a mobile app developer is computer science or the IT graduates are mostly preferred, but even a self-start developer with a strong portfolios can land a great job. So salaries you can expect somewhere 5 LPA as an a fresher, like experience one will get somewhere around 18 LPA as well. So the top companies are hiring Swiggy, Paytm, Zomato, PhonePe and countless startups are hiring for a mobile app developer. So my tip for this role, if you dream of seeing your own app on the Play Store or the App Store, this is a road to become a success on that field. So the seventh role we are going to see is the machine learning engineer. So mostly machine learning engineer, they make computers learn automatically from the data without being directly programmed. So the responsibility of a machine learning engineer is to collect the data, train the models and tune them for the best performance. So mostly the eligibility is background in a AI or a data science or the computer science peoples are mostly eligible for this role. And salaries are huge, even the freshers are getting around 8 to 9 LPA, and the experience on 2 to 5 years of experience people are goes up to 28 LPA per annum. So the top companies are hiring for this role is Google, Meta, Amazon and Tata Alexi and all. So my tip for this role is this is a job behind every smart system you see today. Okay, from Netflix recommendation to the YouTube autoplay future and all. So the eighth role we are going to see is the blockchain developer. So mostly blockchain developer what they will do. So they build a decentralized system and a smart contracts that power blockchain application, not just a crypto, but also in banking, healthcare and the supply chain. So their responsibility mostly to develop a smart contracts and work on the blockchain networks like Ethereum, Hyperledger and all. To eligibility is a programming background in Java, C++, or Python, and a good knowledge in a cryptography is mostly eligible for peoples are mostly eligible for this role. In terms of salaries, peoples can expect somewhere around 8 to 25 LPA, like a fresher to the experienced candidate. The top companies are hiring is Wajrex, CoinDCS, IBM, and Polygon. So my tip for the role is to, if you believe in innovation and digital security, blockchain is a golden opportunity for you guys. So the ninth role we are going to is the DevOps engineer. So mostly what DevOps engineers they will do, so they make sure developer code reach the user quickly and smoothly. The responsibility mostly is to automate the deployment, manage services and handle the CI/CD pipelines using tools like Docker and Jenkins and all. To eligibility, mostly computer science or IT degree plus certification in a DevOps tools is mostly eligible to become a DevOps engineer right now in the market. And salary expectation, you can expect somewhere around 4 to 6 LPA as an fresher, and the experienced one goes up to 25 LPA as well. As the top companies right now hiring for this role is IBM, Infosys, Oracle, and the Capgemini. So my tip for this role is like mostly this role is all about the speed and efficiency, like perfect for the people who love solving the technical problem. So the 10th role we are going to see is UI UX designer. Like mostly, most of the people know like they design the look, feel, experience of the website of and also the mobile application, ensuring they are easy and enjoyable to use. So mostly their responsibility is to create wireframes, design mockups, and improve the user journey using Figma or Adobe XD and all. The eligibility is no coding is required for this job, just a creativity, attention to detail, and the design thinking. Salary you can expect somewhere around 4 LPA to 6 LPA as an fresher, and even the experienced people goes up to 15 to 20 in LPA as well. As so right now the top companies are hiring for this role is Swiggy, Google, and Microsoft. So my tip for this role is, if you are an artist at heart but love tech, UI UX design gives you the best creative outlet. So friends, these are the top 10 tech jobs in 2026. These roles are going to dominate in the future for sure. So here is a quick recap, like a data science and AI for the thinkers, cyber security and cloud for the productors, full stack and mobile develop for the creators, and UI UX for the artists. So basically guys, no matter what background you are, if you start learning today, you can build a strong tech career in just few years. If this video helped you to understand the future of tech jobs, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Shyam signing off. See you to the next video where we can talk about how to start your journey in one of this career step by step. So guys, thanks for watching.